Hello again, welcome back to my channel, Adji's Out and About. Today we're having a look at Walsall's The Dingle and Cuckoo's Nook Nature Reserve. So yeah, let's see what it's all about. We've already encountered our old enemy here, guys, the mud bath. Ooh, I've only just started, so I'm about 5 minutes in. I should think there's plenty more of this to come. Oh god, is that sticky mud as well? No big puddles yet, thank god. My feet are literally sticking to the floor. Oh. I'm going up to a field here. Field running along the side of the track. This bit's a little bit more better. Let's see what we can find. Comes to the end of this path now. That was a very muddy experience as well. But we're greeted by this nice open field here. It's colder than yesterday, a bit more mistier as well. There's still more mud ahead of us, and I think there'll be plenty of that. So this is called the Walsall Countryside Nature Trail. It's okay, so apart from the mud. I haven't seen anybody else while I've been here. I don't actually know what's actually in there. I don't know if there's any lakes or anything really. Oh, there's a bit of water down there. Not what you'd call a lake. This is just nice to be out in the peace and quiet. We will continue on. Right guys, I've come to this area and there's the Beacon Way, what we've walked previously part of before. So I don't know if it starts here or what, but nice open field, and that's apparently you've got the way you've got to go to the Beacon Way. I will not be doing that. I'm just going to stay on this path. It's a very winter feeling, isn't it, today? And it almost feels like a bit bleak and depressing compared to when we was at the lakes yesterday. But let's carry on the journey. Right guys, we've come to yet another wasted, watery, bit whatever you want to call it. Been walking for about half an hour now. I mean, it's okay for a walk, but I'm not feeling like bowled over by it, if you know what I mean. Still some of the autumn leaves on them bushes up there. all brown. Still yet to see anybody else here. Oh, got a bit of running water there. Goes under this bridge. And we're still bordering farmers' fields. We're getting into a bit more of a denser area now. The trees are a lot larger than what they were before. The spring's coming. I'm not sure what these green leafy bits are, but they're coming. They're coming through. Comes a nice scenic little stream here. I'm undecided about this place. It just seems so dark. And it's very, very muddy. It'll be a lot nicer in the summer. But I think I'm coming to the end of my time here. When it gets to like this, I lose the will. I'll go on a bit further and then I think it'll be time to come back. Right guys, after over an hour of walking I've given up. It's too muddy, and it's this place is just home to the world's stickiest mud, and I don't really want to lose a shoe or have my shoes completely ruined, so I'm going to go home now. But yeah, I failed to complete the Dingle, as it's known as. Well, like I say, I've never been here before either, but it's just super muddy. So yeah, it's not enjoyable. I'm struggling to get around it, and I'm just skidding everywhere, and if I fell I could be stuck in there for hours, so I'm not doing it. So yeah, if you like that, please like and subscribe. But till then, for now, I'll see you on the next one, and thanks very much for watching, and bye for now.